Start now. Shall we start now? Yeah. Thank you guys. Okay. I can see. All right. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Right. So I'm going to be diving in right now, regardless of how many people are present. I've been here waiting, trying to wait to be sure that we have as many people as possible on track so that we don't get to leave anyone don't get to leave anyone behind. All right, so I think we have tried as much as possible to do that, so we can actually start the webinar now. We can start the live section right now. Right. Okay. I see some people. I can see some people are still joining. Some people are still joining. Okay, all right. I can see I. All right. Alima. I. Okay. Tessie Oluwadaria. All right. Mrs. Chizoba. Mrs. Tosin. All right. Mrs. Tessie Oluwadare. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I can see. Right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Good evening, guys, and thanks for being here. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome to the webinar. All right. Welcome to the natural fertility webinar. All right, where we are going to be sharing extensive details on how you can naturally treat any infertility using special organic therapy. All right, my name has not changed. My name remains Coach Amuda, and I'm going to be welcoming you into this live section. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much for being here. We have so many cases. I can remember the last time some people are saying data and the rest. So thank you so much. I'm going to really be appreciating you for being here. All right, for taking your time to be here. I know it's not easy. You have so many other things to do, but even regardless of all that, you still decide to be part of this training. All right. Thank you so much. All right, so we're going to be starting right now. Thank you so much. So here is my promise. If you stay to the end of this webinar, I'm going to be showing you a wonderful remedy that will help you to regulate your period, normalize your ovulation, and make your body system pregnancy ready. All right, so that's to say, if you wait to the end of this webinar, if you stay to the end of this webinar, if you watch everything here, I'm going to be showing you and I'm going to be giving you an information that will blow your mind. I want you to consider this your time a valuable one, because this is not going to be a waste in any way. All right, I'm going to be giving you some amazing tips and tricks that can help you to actually stay healthy naturally, more especially when it comes to your period, your ovulation, and your reproductive system, all in all. All right, so if you are a married man or woman who is less than 60 years of age, a man or woman who has been married for over 6 months or more without a positive pregnancy result, or maybe you are a woman who have been able to conceive and have a child before, and after that you have been looking up to God for another this condition is actually refers to as secondary infertility. All right, or if you are a single lady, who want to regulate your period and ovulation in order to avert infertility condition in the future, I will simply tell you one thing, and that's the fact that you need to pay close attention. You need to pay close attention. You're about to be exposed to a secret that can forcefully open any woman's womb and help them kick out infertility faster than any prescription drug and surgical procedure. All right, you might want to ask that you might want to ask, in case you don't know me before, in case this is the first time we are meeting, you might want to ask yourself that who is this guy that is talking, and why is he so bold to say this? All right, so who am I, and why am I so bold? Why should you listen to me? All right, my name is Coach Amuda. I'm a father, a husband, and a natural doctor with over 10 years of practicing experience. I am the CEO of Remedies International, a leading wellness company that specializes in tackling different health challenges through natural, organic, and holistic medicine. In the past years, I've been in this job, I've been able to help 1,675 African and non-African couples to conceive naturally through my training, lifestyle recommendation, organic solution, and numerous natural methods adopted from both our forefathers known as African traditional medicine and ancient international practices such as traditional Chinese medicine, which is popularly known as TCM. All right. Apart from the numerous homes that God has used me to help, I have also succeeded in building a community of to-be parents where I share valuable information on how to achieve success in the trying to conceive journey. And the good news is that countless of these women are now happy mothers. That's actually a very, very good news. So that's a testimony, all right? But before we continue, I have some quick question for you, all right? The number one, have you been silently going through infertility issue and looking for a solution? Have you spent so much money on low potency, painful, and expensive treatment and procedure with no results? Or maybe you are currently under constant pressure from the family for a fruit of the womb. Or maybe thinking of infertility condition gives you sleepless nights and lack of concentration. I'm going to be telling you one thing if you fall in any of these categories. And what I'm going to be telling you is this: you are not alone. You are definitely not alone. The recent statistics report have shown that infertility is one of the most common problem couples back to with after marriage. In fact, it was established that 1 out of every 4 couples suffer from one infertility problem or the other after wedding. All right, so you see why you are not alone. The problem is, no matter how the case are many everywhere, each person is particular about the solution to their problem, as everyone wants a complete home. Maybe because the happiness children bring to a home cannot be underrated, not to talk of the prayer from both parents of the couple, which is majorly directed to the wife. All right. What of how the society people see the couple without a child? For instance, in Nigeria, they start looking at you with a pity face, call you all sort of names like barren, and even disrespect you. In short, there is a huge difference in calling someone Mrs. somebody, Mrs. I mean a Mrs. with your husband's name, and calling you mommy with your child's name. In Nigeria, if you are called Mrs. Precious, it simply means if we are called Mrs. Precious and when you are called mommy Precious, they are actually two different things. All right. When you are called mommy somebody, mommy with your child's name, in Nigeria, it simply means you are a married woman who is also having a child to your name, which is the best feeling any woman prays for anywhere in the world. So first, let's educate ourselves about what infertility is, what causes it, and why most treatments and procedure fails in addressing it. All right. So we are going to be diving in to educate ourselves a little bit now. So what is infertility? All right. What is infertility? Infertility is simply defined as not being able to get pregnant despite having frequent unprotected sex for at least a year. Infertility may actually result from an issue with either you or your partner or a combination of both factors. All right, which simply means both a man and a woman can have the issue of infertility. All right, both man and woman can be infertile. All right, though both men and women can be infertile, but according to statistics, all right, one out of three, one quarter of time the diagnosis is due to female infertility. One quarter of time it is linked to male infertility, and the remaining case of infertility are due to combination of both factor. But there's something you need to know too. Also, there are actually there are some that approximately 20%, that's the remaining 20% of the couple whose cause of infertility cannot be diagnosed. All right, this is majorly known as unexplained infertility. Maybe you know about any couple that the doctor simply says they are fine, there's no problem, all right, and they be trying to get pregnant maybe for a year now, for 2 years or 3 years. Okay, it happens, and then you keep wondering what is happening. How come this couple are not able to get pregnant? All right, of course they say they are fine. This is actually linked to the case of unexplained infertility. All right, now let's talk about the causes of infertility. The causes of infertility. All right, I'm going to be segmenting the major causes of infertility into 5 major factors. The 5 major factors. All right, and if you are talking about the 5 major factors, we are talking about things like ovulatory disorder, endometriosis, unexplained infertility, uterine or cervical issue, tuber issue. All right, those are actually the major causes of infertility in women. All right, now let's explain what damaged fallopian tube is. Let's explain what damaged fallopian tube is. All right, damaged fallopian tube, which carries the egg from the ovary to the uterus, all right, can prevent contact between the egg and sperm. In cases of pelvic infection, endometriosis, and pelvic surgeries are some of the conditions that can lead to scar formation and fallopian tube damage or blockage. These days, fallopian tube blockage issue is actually very, very common, all right, in women. All right, so these are actually one of the major, in fact, about 3 of the major cases, major reasons for this issue. All right, now let's talk about hormonal or ovulatory disorder. Some women have problem with ovulation. The required hormonal that should lead to the release of an egg from the ovary and the thickening of the endometrium, that's the lining of the uterus, is preparatory for the fertilized egg, do not occur. This is actually the major problem. All right, this problem may be dictated using basal body temperature charts, ovulation predator kits, and blood tests, all right, which is called hormonal profile to check hormone level. So they have a case of cervical issue, all right, cervical causes. This is a small group of women who have a cervical condition in which sperm cannot pass through the cervical canal, and therefore pregnancy cannot take place. This can happen due to abnormal mucus production or a prior cervical surgical procedure. Right? If you are with me, I want you to type "I'm with you." I want you to type "I am with you" in the comment section. Type "I am with you" in the comment section if you are with me here. All right, I am with you. I am with you. I want to know how many people are going along with me, so that I'll be sure I'm not just talking to the air. So if you are with me, I need you to type this, very, very important. So I need you to type "I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you." All right. Okay, I am with you. Okay, that's fine. All right, I'm so much with you. Okay, that's fine. I am with you. All right. I am with you. I can see you people are following me. Thank you so much. I can see you are following me. So I have to do that to be sure I'm not talking to the air. So let's continue. We have other cases. We have case of uterine causes. All right. Some women suffer from the abnormal anatomy of the uterus causes by the presence of polyps, fibroid adhesion, and endometriosis, and so on. In some cases, these conditions do not hinder conception as well as of pregnancy, and these conditions do hinder conception as well as pregnancy development. In some cases, there are some of those conditions does not even hinder pregnancy. They don't hinder conception. I mean, but in most cases they hinder pregnancy development, and there are some cases that they don't even hinder pregnancy development, that they just stop conception permanently, and that's why any issue that has to be that there is linked to uterine issue has to be taken serious. All right, let's continue. So unexplained infertility. The cause of unexplained infertility, like I said earlier, is actually 20% of couple, all right, which simply means their infertility issue are not determined. All test examination in both of the partner may not dictate any factor or health issue. Yes, the woman won't be able to conceive. So you may keep wondering what's the cause, all right? As you have seen, dealing with female infertility is a case of different stroke for different folks. Different cases of infertility are caused by different issues and are therefore to be handled with different approaches. All right. But right now, I know what is running through your mind. I know some things are running through your mind right now. I know you have some things going through your mind right now. All right. And these are questions like, can anything be done naturally to improve a woman's chance of pregnancy, even if age is not on her side? Are there chances of conceiving at 40s or 50s and more? Right? And the answer to this is yes. The answer to this is yes. All right. So let's talk about how infertility is being treated. All right. A lot of therapies, procedure and medication are used medically to treat female infertility. This includes but not limited to IVF, laparoscopy, heteroscopy. We have ICSI. We have egg donation. We have use of medication and so on. All these treatments mentioned above are good, but in some cases, their disadvantages far outweigh their advantages. All right. This is not even to mention the expenses. Some of these procedures are so expensive for a lot of family that they are not able to afford them, and they are not even effective. It's more or less like a game of chance here. All right. It works for a very limited amount of people. In fact, we have had several women who got their reproductive health messed up to some of these treatments. So we have several cases like that. This one, all right, this is one of the case. All right, the details of this person is actually covered for privacy purpose. All right. He said, "Good day, sir, ma. I am a 40-year-old lady struggling to conceive. In the past 18 years, I have been diagnosed with fibroid, which were surgically removed in 2012. They came back and I went for embolization early 2016. I managed to conceive late 2016 but lost pregnancy at 11 weeks. Sonar is showing scar tissue in uterus. I don't want to go back to theater as I am worried I will add on the burden. I came across information from your organization regarding natural treatment on the internet, and that's prompted me to write to you. Kindly advise based on the information above if I am a candidate of that treatment. If so, do do you have agents in Namibia, or how do I get the products? All right, and we have several of these kind of cases. Because of time may not permit us, but we have several of these kind of cases on our WhatsApp, on our emails, all right, or even on our Instagram private messages. All right, these are people that have taken most of all these medical procedures, surgical procedures, and it has actually caused a whole lot of problem to their reproductive system. All right, now we discovered a better way out for those women who are ready to restore their fertility 100% organically without any side effects. In fact, there has not been a single case of reported side effects since we have been offering it, and we consistently record great results. If you don't believe me, let me show you this. All right, hallelujah, I'm pregnant. All right, I just confirmed it this morning. I exhausted 2 packs to confirm this. I'm having a baby soon. All right, this is another one. Ogami, that's your organic remedy is so powerful. I could not wait to finish my treatment before going for another test. The result I got today reads that I now have 6 million sperm counts. That's for a man, right? From a 0 sperm count to 6 million sperm counts is a great change in just 4.5 months. All right, this is for another woman that says, it's been paid, I got the fibroid crusher you recommended for me, and I must confess the remedy is very effective. You need to see the big fibroid that came out of my menstruation today. The blood clot saw today is so much bigger compared to others I've ever experienced. All right, that's for another woman. I'm talking, what I'm saying about all these things, this thing that is performing all this, do I call it miracle, is what we call Abba Organic and Holistic Remedies. Abba Organic and Holistic Remedy is so effective that the recent study, recent world acknowledged report in India, which was found on the Guardian. All right, here's what it reads. Let me quickly read it to you. It said, Abba medicine is the most ancient form of healthcare known to man. Abba medicine, such as extraordinary influence that numerous alternative medicine therapy treat their patients with herbal remedies, including naturopathy, including Ayurveda, and approximately 25 of all prescription drugs are driven from trees. That's actually the truth. Most of these drugs are buying in the pharmacies and the rest. Most of them too are still driven from trees, only that they have just a whole lot of preservatives and a whole lot of chemicals added. All right. Herbal medicine are popular due to their efficiency, all right, very efficient, low toxicity, all right, toxicity and absence of side effects. It doesn't cause any little side effect. It's as good to the extent that it doesn't have any side effects, and this is actually the best you can go through. And the only major problem people are having is they are not able to get the best of it, the best that is actually working, that can actually work, that can actually take them out of infertility issue. Not only infertility, we have so many issues that people are having out there that herbs are actually the solution to. Talk about them, name them, talk about diabetes and the rest. All right, but here we are talking about infertility, and we have discovered this, and ever since we have been using it. Like I said, the over 1,675 women in Africa have used it. All right, some of them are these people who are giving their testimonies, and I'm still going to be showing more on this page. All right, a result like this that I just showed, all right, above can be yours with the aid of our female natural fertility pack. That's our organic solution treatment, all right, to several infertility issue. What it does is it cleans your system to ensure readiness of pregnancy, it regulates your menstrual cycle and reduce menstrual cramps, all right, it stops symptoms of early onset menopause and so much other infertility conditions. Let's continue. No matter what the case of infertility is, either the fallopian tube blockage, endometriosis, irregular period, PCOS, fibroids, ovarian cysts, infection of any kind, poor egg, uterine scarring, early onset menopause, hormonal imbalance, sperm leakage, or any other one such as PID, such as cervical issue failure, ovulation failure, which is known as anovulation, Asherman syndrome, autoimmune disorder, or any other infertility issue. Even if you and your hobby has been certified to be fine and you are still not getting a positive result, here is why this organic remedy pack is able to clear off any infertility issue. Before I continue, let me show you why this powerful organic solution is able to tackle and cure every infertility problem, no matter how strong or serious it is. You may want to ask yourself how these organic products are able to provide solution to all major infertility problems you can think of. Well, I also ask myself, that's the same way I asked myself this same question some years ago before we started importing this fertility solution, the first batch of it, which people shared their testimony earlier. But what I found out was the fact that the product contains 8 powerful organic ingredients that cut across different infertility problems. All right, these 8 organic ingredients had never been found in a single fertility pack before, because they are found in different parts of the world. Let me share some of these powerful holistic ingredients with you. One of the most powerful of it is known as red raspberry leaf. All right, it's discovered in China over 300 years ago, which is commonly used by ancient USA and Chinese men and women to increase chance of getting pregnant. It helps balance hormone, fallopian tube blockage, ovarian cysts, and help prevent miscarriage. The next of it is known as ginseng, all right, or maca. Once regarded as fertility wonder roots, it is edible plant that is majorly found in South America in the mountain of Peru. All right, it helps regulate a menstrual cycle and reverse early onset menopause, which improve overall infertility in women. The next of it is known as bimpoli. Bimpoli is a powerful traditional Chinese seed that has over 95 success rates in increasing overall reproductive health in men and women. It helps to support their egg quality and libido in men, and also aid longevity and anti-aging, as well as boost immune. Now, the next of it is known as cleansing oil. All right, it's used to balance hormone, reverse early menopause, implantation failure, and polycystic ovarian syndrome, which is popularly known as PCOS. All right, let's talk about royal jelly. It's commonly used by ancient Indian in women. It supports optimal hormonal balance, promotes overall vitality, erase endometriosis and pelvic inflammatory disease from the system. The Indian royal jelly is commonly used for male fertility, all right, to increase libido, sperm count, and virility. All right, now we have so much of them. This particular one is a very powerful Chinese ingredient that helps in treating autoimmune disorder, infection, and ovulation disorder. It's commonly found in China as one of the powerful infertility remedy. We have another one as coenzyme Q10. This ingredient is a very powerful in the USA, Canada, and China for treating blocked fallopian tube, implantation failure, fibroid, and other infertility problems. We have another one which is a very, very powerful solution to ovarian cysts, ovulation failure, and poor egg health. All right. So these are the 8 powerful ingredients that's actually are available that's actually present in this organic remedy. All right. So some years ago, when I was asking myself how this remedy is able to cure any infertility problem, all right, when I found out this, I was dumbfounded. All right, I was seriously dumbfounded. All right. Now, listen to me. I know you may have gone through a lot, and probably what you are thinking now is, this is another one claiming to help me, just like the previous one too, that eventually did not work. Well, that's fine. I hope it happens to people when they try different things that claim to actually perform wonders only to end up not working. In fact, in some cases, some of these treatments and intervention even cause more damage, all right, like I said earlier. I know this because I have worked with several women and couples on this case of infertility, and I am aware of the different experience. Like I have said earlier, fighting infertility and getting a child to one's name is not what anyone can give up upon, even at age 65. All right? Mostly in this journey, I know you definitely have not been folding your arms and just looking. I know you may have gone through so much expensive gynecological procedures and treatments in different places. I know you may have taken different drugs in order to get solution, but either they work or not, or they don't work. Like some other people whom I have met in the past, I also know you must have gone through IVF, maybe your own is just some other surgical procedure you have gone through, all because you want to be a mother. Here is the secret your doctor will never, ever, and ever tell you. The best way to treat any infertility problem and get free once and for all is to go organic, basic. This is a simple strategy your doctor or gynecology will never tell you. Well, they may not tell you for a reason best known to them. To some, because they want you to continue patronizing them, keep paying the consultation fee, maybe even continue buying more and more drugs from their pharmacy. All right. To others who are actually government staffs, they may not want to tell you this because they need to work according to the ethics of their profession in order to keep and protect their daily bread. But let me tell you, if you happen to be their wife or their sister, they know what to do. I am saying this because we have many doctors and health practitioners across Africa who have used this organic formula. I am showing you to actually become pregnant or treat some of their family member. So forget being a natural therapist. If you are my sister or my wife and you have been having infertility problem for 1 year or more, the same advice I'm giving you right now is the same thing I'm going to be saying to you, all right? Which is to go organic and look for a proven organic remedy that people have used, that people have shared testimony and feedback on, just like this one. The natural fertility pack, ingredient pack I'm showing you consists of unique foreign organic and natural remedies made from natural ingredients, which was imported to Nigeria to make permanent solution to every infertility issue. All right, we are talking about Clean Soft Herbal Formula, Fatty Boost Pro Organic Fertility Solution, and Inflacure Organic Regulator. Any two of them are depending on your infertility condition. All right. These are the herbal remedies we are talking about. All you need is just two of them depending on your fertility condition. We are talking about Clean Soft Herbal Formula. We are talking about Inflacure Organic Regulator, and we are talking about Fatty Boost Pro. All right, Fatty Boost Pro Organic Fertility Booster. All right, these organic remedies have been packed with natural ingredients that will perform appropriate fertility cleanse all over your system, boost your fertility hormones, locate and flush out every fertility combating toxins in your body system, and also completely reset and cleanse your body system to make your body system entirely new, even if you have gone through abortion and miscarriages in the past. In a single word, by using the natural fertility ingredient booster, your reproductive system is restored to its original condition that will help you prepare you for pregnancy the right way, so that within some months from now, you can have your own beautiful baby to care for. See, I'm not just saying this. I want you to know that whatever I'm saying them because they are actually proofs for them. All right. We have great backups from the past users of this organic remedy. I'm going to be starting. Let's look at testimony from some of them. I'm going to be starting from Esther and her husband. All right. Who got a child after 5 years of battling with infertility. Esther has been married for more than 4 years. without pregnancy. She has ovulation problem, which is known as an ovulation, hormonal imbalance, and fibroid. Her husband was also diagnosed with low sperm count. Her husband's sperm was actually 1%, all right, which is very close to zero. All right. After being referred to the natural fertility park, the male and female, the couple decide to go for male and female natural fertility park. Today, they are blessed with their kids. We have a live video of Esther. So let's hear what she says.
Hello everybody, my name is Esther. The mom is always complaining. I was diagnosed with ovulation problem, hormonal imbalance, and fibroid. It wasn't easy. My husband was also diagnosed with low sperm count. So the process and everything was not easy. We even had to eat stuff we could not eat on a normal day. People referred a lot of things to us. We even took all this agbo and all this herbal stuff. It did not work. To no avail, nothing worked. It wasn't easy until I had to open up to a family friend that stays in the US, and she was like, this is a small case that it is something she has seen and it has actually worked for people. So she introduced me to Coach Amuda's natural fertility herbs and fertility pack that actually works for me and my family. Like, what happened was just like a miracle. It was God sent. My husband and I started using the pack for like 30 days because we bought a family pack. We started using it for 30 days. Not even up to the 90 days as usual. I was actually feeling some stuff, like some changes in my body. I was like, maybe it's a normal thing that, what is that? I was not really, let me not lie, I did not really put all my hope in it. So I was thinking it was the normal stuff I've been using before. So I had to like go to the hospital for scan. To my greatest surprise, I was pregnant. I was even shocked. When I called my husband and told him, I was like, wow, is this really happening? I just want to thank God and thank Coach Amuda's fertility pack. It was so amazing, and I will recommend it to you because it works for me and my family. So why don't you try it and see the magic in it? Thank you.
All right.
Hello everybody.
So we are going to be moving down to Blessing, Mrs. Blessing, all right, who was actually trying to treat fibroid and PCOS, which using this organic remedy, all right, it was cleared off. The fibroid and PCOS were cleared off in less than 90 days. All right. Miss Blessing is a 45-year-old wife of a prominent person in the country, a woman who has been married for over 10 years without even pregnancy, talk less of a baby. All right. You are going to be hearing what she says in the next video, but we are going to be fast forwarding the video because of the time. All right, because of our time. All right, let's hear what she says.
Hi, my name is Blessing, a beneficiary of Natural Fertility Pack by Coach Amuda. I want to thank God for the entire team of Coach Amuda for what they have done for me. I was with my phone the last time. I was going through my phone, so there was a pack of drug that I saw by Coach Amuda's facility. So I went through it. I read the process and supplement, which did not work for me, about the drug. So my husband was like, I should give it a try and see how it's going to work. But the last time I went for scan, I discovered that I had fibroid and PCOS, which I was not happy about it because the family of my husband has been giving me all and giving me pressure, which I know. So I give it a try because they said before 90 days I will see changes, which I tried and saw changes. When the PCOS, the fibroid, all none is there anymore. When I told my husband about it and he was happy and excited, I just want to tell my fellow women to just try it. Coach Amuda's facility pack is amazing. I will recommend it anytime, any day. Just give it a try. Thank you.
All right. So now here is another testimony from Ngozi. All right. Ngozi got pregnant of twins in less than 90 days of treatment. Ngozi was introduced to natural fertility park by her friend Jane. She started taking the treatment immediately she got access to the park. She is now an expecting mother of twins. She sent me this scan results exactly when she saw the pregnancy results. Here is the testimony she gave. She said, "Good afternoon, how is family? I did my first scan today, and then here is the scan. A baby. All right, this is twin. All right, this is twin. We don't know the sex yet then, but this is twin. All right. She said it shocked me. All right, I'm speechless. All right, this is a very great testimony. And we have another testimony from Mrs. Andrew, who got solution to 3 infertility problems in 6 months. Mrs. Andrew has been battling with Asherman syndrome, ovarian cysts, and fibroid for over 8 years. This year, she got a breakthrough after a friend introduced her to our organic remedy. She sent me this message as she just delivered a boy. Here is it. She said, "Good morning, sir. It's a boy." All right. Asherman syndrome cleared, ovarian cyst cleared, fibroid cleared, all within 6 months. Truly organic is the way. All right. More and more people who use this natural fertility ignition pack are giving their testimony. Even women as old as 55 got a surprising solution. Now, I'm going to be asking you one question. One question. I know one question is running through your mind. I know one question is running through your mind. I know one question. You have a question in your mind to ask me. All right. Now you want to ask me, how much is it? Okay. You have been talking since morning. How much is this pack? All right. I also have a question to ask you, if that is your question. All right. How much does this feeling worth to you? I'm talking about the feeling of getting a solution that will help you totally eliminate irregular period, ovulation problem, PCOS, ovarian cysts, infection, hormonal imbalance, endometriosis, fibroid, sperm leakage, tuber blockage, and other serious infertility issue. I'm talking about a feeling of carrying your own baby in few months' time, so that every family prayer and every thinking will stop and become a thing of the past. I'm talking about the feeling of having people visiting you in less than 1 year from now to say congratulations, you finally made it. Carry your own baby in your palm, carrying your own baby in your palm with a huge smile on your face, and that of your spouse, the face of your spouse. I'm talking about the feeling of having people to now start calling you mommy, somebody's mom instead of Mrs. I am sure this feeling worth over 500,000 naira or $1,000. All right. In this part of the world today, some simple surgical procedures such as fibroids, all right, such as tubal litigation reversal and others are charged between 200,000 naira to 500,000 naira. I can even boldly tell you that one of the cheapest price you can get IVF done in Nigeria presently is about 700,000 naira with less than 50% guaranteed success. I've had people who have done IVF for more than 3 times. All right, and yet there is no permanent result and many side effects even after them. But God has blessed us with nature, so you won't be paying 500,000 naira, not even the average cost of 200,000 naira. As a matter of fact, the current original price of this pack is just 150,000 naira. If we are to judge by the current price of things in the country and also consider the importation cost, you are going to be paying far more than that. All right, but because we are still having some form of some from last importation, we are still having some of the product from last importation, you won't be paying the current price of 150,000 naira. So you are getting the pack today. You are getting the pack today for just 40% off. You are getting it today for 40% off, which simply means 40% off of 150,000 naira is 88,500 naira or $177 US. You are going to be getting it for. All right, that's everything you are going to be right now. I mean, if you dare place your order right away when this promo is still ongoing, like I mean, fill the form and send in your order. I will know you are ready, you are really serious and want a quick solution. So I'll make sure I blow your mind by throwing in these amazing bonuses, right? The number one bonus, which is actually fast action bonus, is our 30 days fertility guide. All right, once you order any of the above package today, as a free bonus, we will also be giving you 30 days fertility guide to help you with things like the best meal plan to take to make your body system respond faster during fertility treatment. All right, it will also show you the 3 unique lifestyle that affect a woman body and disturb fertility treatment and how you can avoid them and get them under control during your treatment. It will show you the unique method to use water, a special method to use just water in a daily basis so that your body system can be washed and become very responsive to treatment. Normally we sell this guide for 15,000 naira, but if you order for the natural fertility pack during this promo, I will be sending this guide to your email after 24 hours. 24 hours when the pack is delivered at your location. The second fast action bonus you are going to be having is the ultimate fertility smoothie recipe guide. All right, when working on fertility either in a woman or a man, the first step I always suggest is to eat a natural fertility diet. Eating a natural fertility diet is the foundation of a natural fertility program. To make it easier, I suggest that the very first step to drink a smoothie first in the morning, at least for the first 30 days to 60 days, all right, of the treatment. Starting the day with the smoothie, especially a fertility oriented smoothie, guarantees that you are going to be having most important component of nature, all right, natural fertility diet consistently. All right, so as an African, there are some fruits and vegetables that can go a long way in boosting our natural fertility. Do you know that just pineapple, have a special ingredient that can make a woman get pregnant fast? Don't worry, you'll find out everything in this natural fertility guide. In this fertility smoothie recipe guide, we have compiled the easy to find fruits and vegetables that you should make a part of your daily routine for the first 60 days of your journey in the fertility program. The guide contains all the fruit and vegetable, how to make them, the list of fertility components each of them will add to your body instantly after taking them, and the best time of the day for each of them. The value of this guide is originally 9,000 naira, but you are getting it free when you get the natural fertility guide. The third fast action bonus I'm going to be adding, all right, when you get the natural fertility guide today, is the ultimate fertility smoothie recipe guide. All right, once you get the natural fertility guide today, the 90 days fertility program now, you are going to be automatically be added to the fertility inner cycle. All right, I'm talking about the fertility coach. I'm talking about the fertility consultation and coaching program. Sorry, this is not correct. Fertility consultation and coaching program, which is actually called 90 days pregnancy challenge. All right, so I'm going to be adding you to the fertility inner cycle with myself, Coach Amuda. This means for the next 90 days, I'll be checking on you to know your progress, sending you email messages, and you'll be having access to my direct WhatsApp consultation so that we can always discuss about your progress in the treatment and the next step to take. The major reason why we always achieve a tremendous success in Green Remedies International when it comes to the area of fertility is because we give a total backup to anyone in this our 90 days fertility guide, and that's our fertility program, and that's what I'm adding you to. All right, so consider the 90 days fertility challenge a positive one, because you will not be left alone. We are always going to be together within the time frame of this treatment. So you are never ever going to be left alone. Normally, the last batch of the people that got access to this challenge and consultation paid 70,000 naira each. But if you get the natural fertility pack, in the next 48 hours, you will be joining for free. Once your order get delivered, you will get all the package as promised, and we will begin the follow up. All right. Now, the next fast action bonus, all right, is a free delivery. A free delivery worth 5,000 naira. All right, a free delivery worth 5,000. Can you hear me? All right, can you hear me? All right, so I'm a Nigerian. All right, I'm a Nigerian. I know how people abuse the internet, so I want you to be sure that this is not one of those internet gyms that take advantage of people's hard-earned cash and run away. So if you have any amount to pay for, if you have the amount of this pack to pay for it, all right, when delivered either in cash or through bank transfer, just go ahead and order. We will be receiving the payment when the pack is brought to your doorstep. All right. Another thing I'm going to be offering you is a risk-free, I call it risk-free take and use 90 days money back guarantee. For you to know that I am so certain about the natural fertility pack, even regardless of what the kind of infertility issue it is you want to use it to solve. I will also give you a 100% money back guarantee. I've made this easy for you so that you will not lose anything. You will not have anything to lose whatsoever. If it doesn't work for you within 90 days, just return the empty bottles to me, all right? And have your full money back in your account. All you need is to show me the proof that it is used as prescribed. This product have been endorsed by high-level naturopath practitioner and medical professional from India, United States, and Nigeria. They endorse it because they found out that it works naturally. So just take it, try it. Of course, you have nothing to lose right now. If it doesn't work, all you need to do is to return the bottle to me and have your full money back in your account. It's that easy. All right. So to order again, remember, all you just need to do is to type the following on your browser: remedies.ng/female-fertility-checkout. Now you are left with three options. But before I go into that, I would like to show you the product I'm actually talking about. I would like to show you this is the pack I'm talking about. You see, this is the pack. So this is how it's going to be packed and sealed, all right, and be brought to you. Majorly, when you order for our natural fertility pack, we are going to also be having a phone consultation. We are going to our fertility expert, our holistic expert is going to be calling you, and then in order to be sure of the kind of fertility condition you are trying to treat. So we are going to be having that phone questionnaire with you to know what you are trying to treat, and that's just to help us to know the combination of the organic remedy that will work best for you. So that's going to help us to select the best organic remedy that is going to be working for you. All right. So guys, are you with me? If you are with me, I want you to type go on. All right, go on. All right, if you are with me, simply type go on. If you are with me, I need you to type go on right now. Okay, I think I'm seeing some messages here now. All right, I'm seeing them. Go on. All right, go on. All right, are you with me? If you are with me, type go on. Yes. Okay. Go on. Okay, thank you guys. All right, so when you order for any of this pack, we actually God to call you to have a phone questionnaire with you so that we will know the kind of fertility condition you are trying to treat. So we use that information to pack the best, to know the best remedy and to select the best fertility pack that work best for your condition. So that's to tell you that this is a specialized fertility remedies for you. All right, so we don't just say fertility pack. We have also any fertility pack you get will work for you. We try to know which is the condition and we select best of our organic remedies out of those three that actually treat your fertility condition. So now I'm going to be telling you that you are left with 3 options. You are left with 1, 2, 3 options. All right, either to keep silent and do nothing. You can decide not to do nothing while you keep wallowing in the deep sadness of infertility, family prayer and sleepless night due to infertility condition, or keep spending on those low potency drug and surgical procedure with less than 50% success chance even after spending several thousands. Or you can simply take a turn around decision and get access to this natural fertility pack, which has helped several women and still helping several people in and out of Africa. All right, the decision is yours. All right, the decision is yours. But if I were you, I will simply go for this natural remedy. I will simply give organic remedy a trial, since I have nothing to lose but so much to gain if it finally works out. If it finally works out, you will never have to complain about irregular period or ovulation problem again. You will never have to complain about PCOS again. You will never have to complain about ovarian cyst infection, hormonal imbalance, endometriosis, fibroids, sperm leakage, tubal blockage, and other serious infertility related issue again. This issue will now become a thing of the past. All right, it will become a thing of the past, because the natural fertility pack will now save you a whole lot. All right, will now save you a whole lot of time and effort, and will finally put a smile on your face. It will save your marriage and help you get back your husband's affection and love. Save you several embarrassment from family and in-laws. Saves you from social disgrace, and make you a complete woman with a complete home. And the biggest of it all, it will help you join the league of motherhood. Excuse me, let me take water. All right, so it will help you to join the league of motherhood and feel like a mother when who have their child to hold and care for. Some are even ready to pay anything to achieve this, but they do not have access to this kind of information you are having right now on a platter of gold. All right, so if you are ready to order for the organic pack now, all you need to do is to go to remedies.ng/female-fertility-checkout. remedies.ng/female-fertility-checkout. I'm going to be putting that in the comments. All right, I'm going to be putting that in the comment right now. All right, so I'm going to be including that in the comments right now. I'm going to be putting that in the comments. All right, okay. All right, so you can easily go to this web page on our website. All right, this is our official website. Okay, or you simply call our number, Fertility dash. All right, so I just pasted that in the comments, so you can use the link. You can simply click the link in the comments. All you need to do is to go here if you are ready to make your order for the organic remedy now. So all you need to do is just to click the link. All right, and then you are going to be having full access to it. You are going to be able to order, you are going to be able to place your order. All right, so on that you are going to be having access to the organic remedy to place your order for it. Another, after you make your order, we are going to be having a phone questionnaire with you, talking to you to know what you are trying to treat. This, I'm not making mouth, all right. This organic remedy has helped so much people. I have so much proofs and so much testimonies right here. In fact, if I say I should keep sharing testimonies, this live section will not be able to contain it. All right, to take so much of our time. These are other testimonies. All right, these are other testimonies. This person say, good day coach, I have a great testimony today. It's about my period. I can't believe my period has been restored after 4 great years. All right, so I thought I would never see it again, but God has used you guys products to help balance my hormone and restore my period. All right, you see, it works. All right, I don't need to tell you more. In fact, all you need, with what you have seen here, you just need to know that this actually works. All right, this is another person. He said, you may not know me, but I'm a beneficiary of a product. My sister sent your fertility product to me sometimes around February. As I chat you now, I'm 2 months pregnant. I felt you deserve to know how much you have blessed me. It's almost 8 years now after my first child, and I've been praying for the fruit of the womb. This is secondary infertility, someone who has had a child and still looking for more and has not been able to get more. You know how painful it is. All right, this is another testimony. He said it's a twin. God, 2 babies, only me with so much blessings. All right, he said, thank God I was able to get the fertility part 2. All right, so we have so much testimonies. We have so much testimonies, guys. We have so much testimonies. In fact, if you are even checking our Facebook pages, our Instagram page, you are going to be seeing live people, live videos, and the rest, people who have testified to these organic remedies. So if you are ready to order for it, all you need to do is to go to remedies.ng/female-fertility-checkout, or call the number on your screen, or send us a WhatsApp message. Send us a WhatsApp message or phone call. That's all you have to do. So now, I'm going to be treating some frequently asked questions. That means some questions that some people have asked us before now. So I'm going to be treating that, all right? I'm going to be starting from, in case you have not been following us, maybe you just joined now, all right? We are going to be answering all these things because of you. So all you just need to do is to go through the frequently asked question, and you will understand everything we have discussed. We have been discussing since. All right. Now, the number 1 question is, what is natural fertility ingredient pack? Okay, the natural fertility ingredient pack is a combination of top organic fertility ingredients from different parts of the world. The solution was first discovered in India, where it is used as a major remedy for most infertility issue, which is why we adopted it some years ago and imported it to Nigeria to solve major fertility issues. And since then, many people have given their testimonies. You can see some of the testimonies I've shared with you in this webinar. All right, how does this natural fertility ingredient pack work? All right, I'm going to be explaining to you. Here is how it works. In the first stage, it's going to be performing what we call fertility cleanse all over your body system, so that it can locate and flush out every fertility combating toxins and other relevant fertility problems in your body system. All right. Immediately after this, it's going to move to the second stage. In the second stage, it's going to begin to make a reset on your body system, to make your body system entirely new again, even if you have gone through abortion or miscarriages in the past. Then it's going to move to the third stage. In third stage, it's going to start to boost your fertility hormones and make your body system pregnancy ready. All right. Maybe you want to ask if this product works for men. Does this product work for men? Yes, absolutely. All right. This organic remedy works for men. It works for men. All right. For details on men natural fertility pack, you might be seeing it down this video. But if you are not seeing it down this video, all you need to go do is to go to www.naturalremediesng.com/mfib. Right, I'm going to be giving you that link later. This link is wrong. So it's going to be our male natural fertility pack is the link. I'm going to be sending the link to you down this video. So all you need to do is just to click on it. How do I get my products? We deliver the product within 48 hours or 3 days at most. We accept payment on delivery during this promo only. Alright, which means the product will get to you before you make payments. That is only during this promo. Alright, this means if you order today, you will be having your product delivered to your doorstep within the next 3 days. Do you deliver outside Nigeria? Yes, we deliver across the world. We deliver everywhere in the world. Although the country and location of delivery will determine the delivery fee. Delivery outside Nigeria is within 5 to 7 days. Where is your office? I get this question a lot. Where is your office? If you are in Lagos, you can visit number 132, number 132 Lagos Shagamu Road, Ikorodu, Lagos. How can I contact you? If you have any inquiry to make or you have anything to discuss with us, you can call our healthcare line, which is on your screen right now. So again, to place your order, all you have to do is to go to remedies.ng/female-fertility-checkout. You can also call or text the number on your screen. So once again, I'm going to be thanking everyone who has been with me in this webinar. I know it's not easy. Thanks for taking your time. I know you have learned one or two things in this webinar. All right. I'm going to be thanking you. For really taking your time. All right. For using your data. For you really using your data. And most importantly, your time. Thank you very much. I'm going to be seeing you guys. We are always connected. Like I said, if you get this organic remedy, we are always going to be together because of course we are always going to be together even though you don't get it. But the thing is, how do you start a treatment? How do you start our natural treatment when you don't get it? You understand? So I'm going to, if you are on our treatment, that simply means you are our patient. So I'm going to be able to be monitoring you, to be giving you every tips and tricks you need. All right. This is a 360-degree world in this generation. So it's not necessary I'm in your house or I'm on your street. All right, wherever I am from the world, we are always connected. You can always talk to me, I can always talk to you, and then we can always see anything, we can always pass anything across to each other, share anything we need to share, and then give any information we need to give. I can easily do that. I've done that for so many people across several countries, in the US, in the UK, even in African countries, in the Asias, and so many other countries. So I've done this, and so many of these people now have great results. So if you are ready to order, all you need to do is to go through this link on your screen right now. Once again, thank you so much for your time. I love every one of you. Thank you so much for being an action taker. Thank you for taking at least one step ahead. All right, thank you for taking one step ahead. My name is Kozim Amuda, and I'll be your presenter since, and I'm saying a very wonderful night to every one of you. Thank you.
That's why my heart is